Hey everyone, I'm Jaden with Golden Properties, and today we're going to walk through one of the more stressful but necessary parts of owning rental property, the eviction process here in Idaho. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Every eviction situation is unique, and the laws can be nuanced, so we strongly recommend speaking with a qualified attorney before starting an eviction. If you're looking for a great legal resource in North Idaho, give us a call and we can connect you with the right professionals. They can help guide you through the legal side of things. Now, with that said, let's talk about how the eviction process works and how to handle it legally and professionally. Most of the time, tenants pay rent on time, follow the lease, and take care of the home. But sometimes, even with great screening, life happens and issues come up. Whether it's non-payment, lease violations, or refusing to leave after a lease ends, landlords need to know how to take action without making legal missteps. In Idaho, you must have a legal cause to start the eviction process. That can include unpaid rent, staying after the lease expires, breaking lease terms, or illegal activity on the property. Once a valid reason exists, you begin by delivering the right eviction notice, and there are 4 different types to choose from. Here's a breakdown of the 4 main notices recognized in Idaho. Number 1, 3-day notice to quit. This is used when a tenant doesn't pay rent. If they don't pay within 3 days, you can move forward with the eviction. Number 2, 30-day notice to vacate. This applies to tenants on a month-to-month lease or no lease at all. You don't need to give a reason, but once it's served, they have 30 days to move out. Number 3, 3-day notice to comply or vacate. This is for minor lease violations, things like damage, lack of cleanliness, or not allowing access for repairs. The tenant has 3 days to fix the issue or leave. Number 4, 3-day notice to vacate. This is used when a tenant is involved in illegal activity, serious damage, or unauthorized subletting. There's no option to remedy, they have to go. For each notice, documentation is key. Take photos, save communication, and log all notices. It could be the difference between winning or losing in court. Once you've picked the right notice, you need to serve it properly, or risk having the entire case thrown out. In Idaho, there are 3 legal ways to serve. Directly hand it to the tenant, leave it with a person of suitable age at the home, or post it in a visible spot and mail a copy. Even one mistake in service can delay everything. That's why many landlords choose to use a professional process server or work with a legal team to make sure everything's done right. And always keep a record of service. This will be critical if you end up in court. Even if your notice is correct and properly served, tenants may fight the eviction. Common defenses include improper service, full rent payment, discrimination or retaliation claims, landlord not following the lease, or fixing the issue within the notice period. This is where documentation really matters. Bring everything to court: your lease, rent logs, text or email records, photos, and all notices. If the court sides with you, they'll issue a writ of restitution. This gives the tenant a final deadline to leave. If they don't, the sheriff may assist with a physical eviction. And just to be clear, do not change locks, shut off utilities, or try to remove the tenant yourself. Evictions aren't fun, but when handled professionally and legally, they can protect your property and your peace of mind. If you're unsure about any part of the process, don't go it alone. Reach out to a trusted attorney and get expert help. Hope you learned something new today. We'll see you soon.